Hi everyone, today I'm back with a unboxing of a new sweet bean set. This is sweet bean afternoon tea. So in this set, there are 9 figures in the basic set. Let me show them to you. And of course, there's always a secret. And here they say the chance for secret is 1:108. So for regular edition, it's 1:9. So if there are 9 inside, the chance is that you get a complete basic regular set. Okay, but there's always a chance for secret. So let's see what I get today. Let me open it up. I love unboxing blank boxes. It's fun. You never know what you're gonna get. And so far, I think I have gotten 3 secrets from complete box before. Yeah, I think I got 3. Okay, let's get this box open up. The box is so pretty. See the nice lavender color. Okay. Wait. Why is this box upside down? This was a sealed box. Is this a sign? It should be normal, right? I don't want to open that box first. Because if it's a secret, it's going to distract me throughout the whole thing. See, it's upside down compared to the rest. Weird. Okay, let me just leave it like this. Let me take it out in the order, okay? This is interesting. This is the first time I've had a box that's upside down. I really don't know what to expect. Of course, I hope for a secret. Of course, why not? Okay, for this one, I have to say that I have not checked what the secret is. Okay, let's look at the box. So you have lovely sweet bean in a teapot. And then these are the 9 figures. And the secret looks like sweet bean on a rocking horse. Yeah, if this figure is to be believed. Yes, I think so. I hope so. That'll be cute. It's the first time they didn't do a small secret. You see this big shaded one? Yeah, I say secret. Okay, let's open this up. This is really tempting me. I'm really distracted. Because why will the box be upside down? I'm like super curious. Oh, the box, I think I broke it. Okay, first one. Kitten love clock. You're so cute. Kitten love clock. Sweet bean afternoon tea. Sweet bean wearing a kitten hat with a tail, and there's a clock. So kitten love clock. As usual, you have this desiccant inside. Okay. So the packaging is the normal Pop Mart packaging. There are no special ones. Sometimes they have a very nice design for it. Oh, so cute! Oh my goodness, it says sweet bean on top. Oh, it's embossed. Can feel the words. Oh, sweet bean is just so adorable. Him and his this is to wind up the clock, I guess. So he's part of the clock now. If I wind it up, the clock will work. This is his tail. Oh my goodness, he's just so very cute. I guess 3 o'clock is tea time. Next. The way these boxes are. Oh, I'm gonna be tearing it. So sad. Okay. Next one is Sweet Call. It's a phone. He looks so sweet on it. That's why they call it Sweet Call. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, no accessories. It's your phone, the ones that you can dial, literally dial. That's what they call, is it a rotary phone? But anyway, Sweet Bean is so cute here. He has this laurel of flowers on him. See all the flowers everywhere? He's holding the phone, so cute. Oh, can move the wire a little bit, but I don't think I can take it out. Why is it S hard S? Can anyone tell me? What does the S hard S stand for? Or is it just a design? Phone design. So cute. So, for people who have bought this set and gotten a secret, did your box come upside down like this? I'm so distracted. But I don't want to open it yet. See, they're taunting me with the secret on every card. Oh, this is Pink Dream Teapot. Yep, the one on the box itself. Oh, there's accessories. Yeah, always check for accessories. I accidentally threw one away before, so yeah, I always make sure I double check, triple check before I throw the box away. Okay, and this is the teapot cover. Let's put that here first while I open it up. Oh, this is pretty small actually. So you have this blue and pink teapot with Sweet Bean on it. It says, Sweet Bean, have a pink dream. So cute. Okay, and I'll just cover it up. There we go. Teapot. Alright, second row. Okay, number 4. At this rate, I'm just expecting normal figures. Except for this last one, because it's really the first time I've seen an upside down box. See? Taunting me again. This one is Heart Glow Desk Lamp. Okay. No accessories, so it's a whole thing by itself. Heart Glow Desk Lamp. So it's Sweet Bean sitting. It looks like he's sleeping. And he's wearing the desk lamp on his head. I don't know if it works. Well, if it works, when you pull this, it should light up. But, well, it's a toy, so it wouldn't right now. Okay, next one. I'm sure some of you must be like, okay, I'm gonna forward this until she opens that last mystery box. But yeah, it's gonna be the last one I opened. Because the Sweet Bean figures are just so very cute. I have to open them one by one. Spring Flower Teacup. Oh, so pretty. I think this set is just so pretty. Oh, there's a accessory. I think it's the cup. Cover for the cup. Bear with me. If you really can't take it, then yeah, fast forward to find out what is in that box. In the meantime, I'm just gonna open this up. Oh, nice pretty flowers. Are these tulips? They look like tulips. Or maybe there's some other flower that I'm not aware of. Oh, it's a cup. Hey, it says best wishes with a hat. So cute. Okay, let me cover it up. Okay, so you put it properly. It says Sweet Bean on top. Alright. The mystery box. The mystery box. Okay, this one says afternoon tea photo frame. Okay, what has a photo frame got to do with afternoon tea? It's just that he looks so cute all dressed up. Okay, and oh, it's literally a photo frame. Hey, nice! See? Stand it. So fancy. Sweet Bean with his cute pink bonnet, headgear, and this fancy top hat still. It's so cute. See? Can stand because there's the stand behind. Okay, if I put it here, oh, it's a bit out of range. Okay, everything got to move. Okay. Upside down box. I wonder if it's just a packing defect. Well, we'll find out later, okay? It's gonna be the last one. Oh, what is this cute thing? Looks like a train. Heart-shaped front of a train. It says Sweet Bean. So cute. I tell you, the creators of Sweet Bean really made him out to be super cute. So adorable. And there are sweets on the top of the train. Okay, and the figure and the card. It says Love Train Candy Jar. Oh, this is gonna be so tall. I may need to display him separately because my display case, I think it fits up to here. I'm not even sure whether it can fit the telephone now. Look at cute Sweet Bean. It says candy on top. And he's like welcoming you all onto the candy train. Oh, so cute. Okay. Just put him. Oh. Okay. He's wobbly. There's no base to like put his feet so that he won't fall off. Oops. See. Almost. It's an accident waiting to happen. Alright. Okay. Last two boxes. I'm still expecting this to be a regular, correct, regular figure. Alright. And it is, ta-da! Pink Dream Candle. Oh, so cute. Oops! I dropped the accessory. It's a candle. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So we have a sleeping Sweet Bean. Oh, sleeping peacefully on his pink pillow. Hey, heart-shaped pillow. Oh, look at him. Sleeping peacefully. So whose idea was it to put a candle on his butt? It's cute, but what if it burns all the way down? Won't the wax hurt him? It's hot wax, you know, when it burns. So cute. Okay, I'm just going to put him in front here now. And last but not least, the box we've been waiting to open. Let me flip it over. Okay, so it's either going to be a secret or let's see which one I'm missing. This one, Sweet Heart Sugar Jar. Yeah, it's either going to be Sweet Heart Sugar Jar or the secret. Okay, I shall not keep you or me in suspense. It's time to open it up. Alright. Oh! It's the sweetheart sugar jar. So it's just a packing defect. Oh, got my hopes up. Got my hopes up that it was like a secret that they put in the wrong way. But no, just a packing defect. Oh well, I didn't get a secret, but I got a complete set of sweet bean afternoon tea. Oh, so cute. This actually looks like a pumpkin sort of sugar jar. Oh, sweet bean is just so sweet. What's he doing inside the sugar jar? Is this sugar jar or honey jar? Because this looks like honey. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'm sad I didn't get a secret, but this set is really, really, really cute. So do try and get hold of it if you like it before it gets sold out. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!